If you could wave a wand to do anything you want with your life, what would you do? Oh hey, Trevor, Leila, Kaylin, and Safira here. This is our very first debut episode on our brand new channel. This channel is all about doing the things that you were afraid to do, about taking risks and making the most of our time here on this planet.
We're about ready to embark on something totally crazy.
Like living in an RV full time, going on adventures, and seeing the rest of the planet. We've been doing this self-employed nonstop grind for a few years.
And last year, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and we made the decision that the time to live is now.
So we decided to change things up.
A lot.
The world's a pretty big place, and I've lived within about the same 10 square miles since I was like 12 years old. And I figured we need to see more of it, right? We got a daughter and a granddaughter and our son-in-law living in Oregon right now.
And we've got a few other kids that are gonna be moving there pretty soon.
So we sold the house, ditched some of our belongings, put the rest in a couple trucks, drove them to Oregon, and dumped them on our daughter's property.
Selling our house left us in a bit of a quandary.
We're homeless. Which brings us here. This is my life. Unloading this till the cows come home, putting in that tiny little space. Favor de matarme. We found a temporary apartment while we figure out what's next. The reality is apartment life isn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Are you dressed? Guess I can't use that part. You can't go outside out the back door. And then we got this whole area here, which is great in one sense, except that we always know which neighbors are having problems. And by the way, it's those guys right up there.
Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night.
Can you please subscribe since this is our first video?
Dude, if you could tap that notification bell and hit like, would be super grateful. You could be the first person to like this video ever. Come back. Here's the thing. Living in this apartment has been great and all. We've been able to do our CrossFit workouts here during COVID, but we're ready to get this show on the road. So we started researching RVs and... Dang, these RVs are expensive, man.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Got, okay, holes on the outside, patched, kinda, painted. Holes on the inside, what else does it need?
Well, dude, I think this is exactly what we're looking for, because I want a little tiny house. There we go.
You know, I don't want to do the work, you know that, right? What do I do to put a deposit on it?
We put a deposit down in a 38-foot toy hauler RV without even seeing it. I'm wondering if we made the right decision.
Yeah, let us know in the comments below if you think we made the right choice. 38-foot toy hauler, salvage title, didn't see it, deposit on it. We'll show it to you in the next video. Our track record for being on the road isn't exactly stellar, so this might be a big mistake. This is a problem! We don't have a spare! And we're in Hesperia! Who the heck lives in Hesperia? Oops, always an adventure. Always an adventure. We never just go for a jog. Warning, the following is graphic. If you're a child or don't want to see gross things, just skip the next couple seconds. Sparky here had a rough day.
We're about ready to embark a crazy adventure.
On a crazy adventure. Can you wave just wave to the camera, Kaylin? Wave.
No,
Say
I'm
it.
just here to support. I'm not saying nothing.
Hair. No. Kaylin, it's terrible.
No, Kaylin,
Kaylin, come back.
No, Kaylin.
Kaylin, back now. Do you want pizza?
At the camera, too.
This is so stupid.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Show me pizza.
Have I seen you on film before, ma'am?
No comment.
That wasn't nice, nor was it necessary, all your extra words. So say it again.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss out when we show you our RV the first time we see it. If you want to get a feel for what we're like, go ahead and check out this link here for a playlist of vlogs from our other channel. Hit that like button, tap the bell so you are notified the second we upload that next video. We cannot wait to share our adventure with you.
We're looking forward to sharing our adventure with you.
We can't wait to share our adventure with you.
We're looking forward to sharing our adventure with you.
Why is she crazy?